Good morning, guys. Hope you're all doing well today. Hope you guys are having a great day or night wherever you are in the world today. So, guys, in this video, I want to come to you guys with something a little bit different from my normal videos. Now, a lot of you guys know that I like to promote, you know, money making opportunities or online biz ops, right? But this one is going to be a little bit different. Now, this is called freecash. Now, what this is, as you can see from my screen, is a site where you can join for free, right? And you can make money by playing games, completing surveys, and things of that nature. And before this video goes any further, I know a lot of you are going to wonder if this is actually legit. Does it actually pay out? And the answer is yes. I'll actually withdraw my balance up here for you just to show you that it's real. But before I do that, I want you guys to see the amount of options that you have available to you with this particular website. Now, you can play a bunch of games here. You have Dice Stream, Solitaire, Monopoly. You can download FanDuel. Now, with everything here, there are certain things that you have to do in order to get credited to your account, right? So as you can see, there's a lot of different options to choose from here. You have your featured offers, you have my offers, you have offer partners, you have featured surveys and the survey partners as well. So you can do surveys, you can play games, you can make money doing both. This is not going to be a business opportunity. This is going to be something that anyone can do, to make a little extra side income. Okay, now it does take time to accumulate the money to your account, especially if you're someone who doesn't have a lot of time on their hands. If you're someone who wants to, is always on the go, basically, it's going to take time for you to make money with this. All right. Normally, when you complete certain tasks, it does take time for the balance to become available in your account. But like I said, it does pay, it does work. You just have to be patient with it and you have to stick with it. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on my notifications bell here. Now, you're going to see an offer that was released to me today. This was released to me today. Read more. Now, I reached level 70 within 10 days of playing Bingo Blitz. All right, so that $48 has been released to my account. That's one of the tasks that you can complete with Bingo Blitz. Okay, like I said, you can do surveys as well. Surveys, I've been credited for a survey worth 30 cents. Did that last night. 2 sets another survey, 2 sets another survey, and I did a cash out a couple days ago on the 6th. Right, hold on. About a week ago, I did a cash out. Sorry about that. I just refreshed the page. So yeah, I did a cash out 6 days ago. And that money is already in my account, good to go. I came across this particular platform by accident, actually. I had joined, well, I paid for an opportunity where I could get paid for doing captchas, doing the little security codes. In the back office of that, there was bonus training that led me to this particular site here. And I found it fascinating, so I decided to join, decided to give it a try. And lo and behold, I tried it. It took a couple days to complete one of the tasks, but I did get paid for that task. All right. What am I going to go to really quick with this? I'm going to go to cash out so you can see the amount of tasks that I've done to date with this to show you guys that this is real, this is legit. It does take a little while to load up on my end, so I do apologize for that. So you see, I have $51 available to withdraw now. You can withdraw to PayPal, Bitcoin, Stake. You can do Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, bank transfer. You can also withdraw to gift cards as well, Amazon, Visa, Google Pay. You have options. You can withdraw to skins as well. But for the sake of this, I'm just going to withdraw it to my PayPal account. All right. Before I do that, though, you see there's also an affiliate side to this as well. You can go to there, and I'll show you how that works in a second. But the main thing I really want to show you guys, hold on. I actually want to click on the featured offer. Well, not the featured offers, but I do want to click on the offer so you see that there's a variety of games that you could choose from to download as well. So let's just click on the okay, that I was able to click on the featured offers for a second, but I guess not. Actually, let's click on games here. Now, like I've already stated, guys, this is not something that you're going to get rich with. This is not something that you're going to want to making thousands of dollars with. This is not a online business, up in my opinion. This is just something that you can do on the side to make extra income for yourself. On while you're pretty much doing your day-to-day routine. You could be at work, you're on your break, you could play games, complete some tasks, and earn some extra income. All right, so you do see they have a lot of different games, a lot of different tasks involved with each of these games to choose from. All right, let's see. Let's look at the one that I've done. I've done Domino Dreams. I've done Dice Dreams. Let's see. It's taking a little bit longer than I thought. Okay, so yeah, so there's a variety of games to choose from here. I don't see the main ones. Let me go back for a sec. And I just want to show you guys what I mean when I say task. I said task a couple times. I just want to show you what I mean by that. Okay, so this is one of the offers. This is probably the main offer that I've done the most with so far. Now you can earn up to $292 by completing all the tasks with this opportunity. All right. You Let me close that out. That's a little special deal that they have there. Close that out. So you see here, you can install and open the app. When it has a check mark next to that particular task or reward, that shows that you've actually done it. So you see I've reached level 70 within 10 days of playing this game. So I already have $48 in my account. There are also smaller tasks involved as well that you can do. Reach level 20, earn $1. Reach level 50, earn $3. All that's already been credited to my account already from these particular tasks. I'm not sure if I'm going to do the other ones. I haven't decided on that as of yet. So let me go back. Now, because I don't want to keep this video much longer, I am going to show you guys the PayPal process and how that's going to work. So again, as you can literally see, my money is withdrawable now. It does take several days, or about a week in my case, to be able to withdraw the money, because I guess they have to verify that you actually completed the task and everything like that, which is totally understandable. I'm going to withdraw to PayPal because PayPal is easier for me. Obviously, it's much faster now. You can withdraw, these are the amounts that you can withdraw: 5, 10, 20, 30, 50, 75, 100, 200. So keep in mind that whatever withdrawable money you get would have to be within one of these brackets for PayPal. Okay. I'm going to click on the 50. Okay, so I'm going to withdraw that. Let's see if I can do that. A withdrawal was reviewed by a moderator shortly. Okay, so that. All right, cool. So you can just wait a few minutes. Then you'll be able to withdraw. Okay, so let's go back. Now, this process itself doesn't really take too long to complete. And you see, they already took out the $50 from my balance, so I already have like $1 left in there right now. Now I just have to wait until I get a notification or a message saying that I can go to my profile to withdraw the PayPal. And there you go. See, go to your profile to find a link to cash out to your PayPal account. Right, we're going to do that real quick. Cash out PayPal. So the amount of offers that I completed, that's the amount that I've earned by completing those offers. Okay. And then there's my PayPal link. That was the first PayPal withdrawal that I made. This is going to be the second one. Okay, claim cash out. Okay, so then I will be able to redeem my $47.50 cash out there. Okay. Okay, so put your PayPal email. That transfer. And then that's it. So you claimed your PayPal payment on 6/13/2024, which is today, 6/13/2024. So as I've already said, guys, this is legitimate. This is real. This really works. Okay, and I'm not gonna sit here and you see the message there as well. I'm gonna close that other stuff out. $47.50 PayPal transfer is on the way. Cool. So like I said, I'm just gonna wait till I see the notification on my phone, on my end, and then once you see that notification, you'll see that it's real too. All right. So let me close this out in the meantime. Okay, so we'll close that out too. And right there, guys, just like that, you receive $47.50 from PayPal. Just like that, guys. Everything is literally right there in front of your face. This is real as it gets. There's no scams here, nothing of that sort. You're gonna get paid to play games, do surveys, complete simple rewards and tasks. And once you complete the rewards and tasks and you're verified, you're gonna be good to go. Now, this video is gonna be long, but it's well worth it. I just want you guys to see that this is a real, opportunity. There's nothing phony about this. There's nothing, fake about this. You don't need to promote this on social media unless you choose to. Okay, unless you actually want to. You can keep doing this for yourself. You can earn, some extra income for extra bill, whatever you need it for. You can do it with this. At the end of the day, guys, I got involved with network marketing, and online marketing to provide people with opportunities to help them make income. This is different from network marketing, but this is still the same concept of helping people make extra income. You can do this. Literally any single person can do this in their spare time. All right. You just have to be willing to actually do the simple work of playing the games, downloading the games, completing the task, and you can earn with this. All right, guys, so that's it for me. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. The link will be in the description of this video. But for now, I'm going to end it here. Guys, have a great day, and I will catch you later on the next video. All right, take care.